The final awardee for tonight is Mr. Georges Leconte, Chief Executive Officer for the New York City Health and Hospital, Harlem, the largest hospital in central Harlem and the only safety net hospital in Manhattan. This is the same hospital that saved the life of Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. when he was stabbed at a book signing. He's a stalwart and highly regarded leader at this institution and within the community in which it serves. He supports any initiative that seeks to benefit and improve lives, including the Jaja Foundation projects. During the COVID-19 pandemic, he donated a large quantity of equipment and medical supplies to the special COVID-19 medical mission to the Savannah Lamar Hospital in Jamaica. The Board of Directors is pleased to present Mr. Georges Leconte with the Community Leadership Award.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. A place much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need.
Good evening. I have to say, Owen almost inspired me not to say too much tonight. So thank you for that, Owen. First and foremost, I want to thank my brother, Trevor, brother from another mother. We know each other for quite some time. Thank you for all that you do. Truly appreciate it. I also want to say thank you for a few folks that are here. I couldn't do this without a few of these folks. First, let me say thank you to my wife, Muriel. She's here with me. My daughter, Ariel, who came in from California because she felt this was really, truly a big award for me. So I want to thank her also. But I also want to thank a few of my team from Harlem Hospital who makes my life so much easier each and every day. I want to thank both of my CNO, Miss Keisha Wisdom, and also another one of our chief nurses, wow, I'm blanking, Peggy Sturburns. So thank you very much for all that you do. This is a fantastic award. I truly appreciate this and continue much success. However I can continue to help, as you know, I'm here for you. Thank you.